Look what got delivered.
Oh, no.
Oh. Yeah.
What was that?
What was that? Good morning, y'all. Look what got delivered. It's the tub. So I'm about to get ready to unbox it. Right now, I have my sister helping me. It actually wasn't that heavy. This is a fiberglass tub. So we're gonna unbox it here, make sure there's no scratches, no dings, or anything like that. And then we're gonna figure out how to install it. So let's unbox it. They didn't take this well. You would think they would take it better than this.
Strong, cold.
Yeah. They're gonna put one piece of flippy tape.
Okay. This is light as a feather. You said this way, I feel like you pulled the opposite way.
You want to check it for any things. It looks actually really good. Mm-hmm. Let me show you what it looks like from this side.
Oh, no.
Oh. Dang it. Okay, so we just took this box, the tub out, and it has a big crack. I actually like the tub. I think it's nice. It's good, but that crack ain't gonna do. Since my tub was not ready to be installed, I had to order a completely new tub, and that was going to take some time because it did take about a week to get delivered. I needed to keep the project going, so I decided to work on the ceilings and the walls in the bathroom. Now the ceilings were pretty damaged. Also, they weren't too bad, but they did need some patching. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking some joint compound and filling in any holes or dings or anything like that in the ceiling so I can prepare it to be painted. Good morning, everybody. It is like week 2 of this bathroom. A lot of hold-ups and everything like that. I was gonna start installing the bathroom tub today, but the second one came in. It was also broke. So I'm in the same place of trying to order another tub. I'm trying to find another brand, but honestly, there's not a lot of alcove tubs out there that have like just great reviews. So I'm in square one trying to find a tub again, so hopefully I can get that ordered by this weekend. But today is Saturday, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to skim coat the walls in the bathroom. This is what the walls look like. They're not the best shape in the best shape, so I'm going to try to start on this wall over here. You can see like some areas still have wallpaper left in there, so I'm going to take this problem solving solution and use that to make sure that my wallpaper doesn't go anywhere, and then I'm going to do a skim coat. So let's go ahead and get started on this skim coat so I can paint my walls this week and finish painting my ceiling. Okay, so as you all can tell, this is my first time skim coating, and I just kind of researched a bunch of videos on YouTube to figure out how to do this. As you know, my walls were pretty damaged, so I couldn't just paint over them. I needed to have a layer of something on there so I can fix it. And this first attempt is on this small area of the wall, and it wasn't so great. I was trying to use the little spatula to put it on there, but instead on the second wall I decided to paint it on there so it can go on more evenly, and then use like the little scraper spatula thing to smooth out the joint compound. And here's a little phone clip of how it turned out. It looks so good, guys. I can't wait for you all to fully see it. It is like week 3, week 5, I don't know, week 4. We'll say week 3 of this bathroom renovation. And I just got the 3rd tub in, y'all. This is the 3rd tub. And it just got here. So I've already taken it out the box, and here it is. But I'm about to unwrap it and see if it's in good shape. Hopefully, you know, 3rd time's the charm. So let's go ahead and get it open so I can see it. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it. The last one had like cracks. It is good. Look at this tub. Look at those corners. Perfect. I actually went through the company build.com. It's called Built with Ferguson, but the website is build.com, and it took about a week to come, and it looks so good. So I am going to install this weekend. Okay. Wait. Ooh.
It's on my leg.
I'm gonna try to rip this. It's my arm. Hold on. Don't move. Okay. Ooh.
You okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm repositioning myself, but I'm dropping it as I'm doing it.
Ooh.
Okay. You good up there?
Yeah.
Okay. You doing good? Oh, what was that?
What was that?
Oh, that wood. You good? I can see it through my toes. Tell me if I need to re-angle.
Good.
Okay. I let my end down.
You took it down. Oh. So after I got my tub installed, I realized that I had a 2-inch gap in between my tub and my wall. And if you know, that is not correct. That is not supposed to be like that. Your tub is supposed to sit directly onto the studs on your wall just for proper installation. So what I'm going to do is build out my wall. All right, y'all, so I'm about to get ready and drill basically some more studs on top of those other studs to fill in the 2-inch gap. I cut down some 2x4s, ripped them to size, and I'm just going to screw them on top of there so I can fill that gap without moving the plumbing. And I'm finally putting my tub back in place. This is the final time that I did it, I promise. And then I'm just attaching it to the drain. And as you can see, the tub is laying directly on those studs, just what we're needing. So right here, I'm attaching the tub to the wall with washers, but I switched it out for screws later on down the line. The screws just help my cement board go onto the wall flatter. But that's all for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give it a huge thumbs up and follow my channel for the progress of this bathroom. I am fully rolling, so there will be a video next week. I hope to see you all then. Bye.